Chapter 1, Shapes and Space. Inside, outside. Hi kids, do you like stories? Well, I will tell you one story of the Arab and his camel. Aren't you excited? Well, let me start with it. It was a cold winter day. The Arab was traveling on the camel's back. At night, the Arab pitched his tent and went inside. The camel was outside. After some time, Camel asked, "May I put my neck inside? It is too cold outside." "Okay, you may put your neck inside." "May I put my front legs inside? It is too cold outside." "Okay, you may put your front legs inside." "Can I come inside? It is too cold outside." "Oh no, the tent is too small for both of us." Though the Arab denied, the camel entered the tent. "So I am coming inside and you go outside." Oops! Poor Arab. Activity. Bigger, smaller. Take the bigger. Take the smaller. Take the smaller type. Biggest, smallest. Take the smallest tree. Take the biggest animal. Take the smallest fruit. Take the biggest bubble. Top, bottom. Take the boy at the top. Take the pot at the top. Take the animal at the bottom of the stairs. Near, far. See this picture. The house is very far from the well. Children are playing near the well. Top, bottom. The boy is on the top of the cart. Water is at the bottom of the well. Nearer, farther. Take the bird nearer to home. Take the cat farther from the tree. Nearest, farthest. Take the child nearest to the swing. Take the puppy farthest from the tree. Take the tree nearest to the bird. On, under. See this picture. This is a classroom. Here, cat is on the table. Rat is under the table. Above, below. Fan is above the table. The table is below the fan. Clear? Superb. Activity. Drag and drop. Kids, let's do some fun. See the shape in pink box and drag similar shapes in it. Let's do it. See the shape in yellow box. Drag the similar shapes in it. All the best. Activity. Match the pair. Match the similar shape.